guys, so Fun Time Mom's here, Alicia. We're gonna make some quick fried cabbage. So fried cabbage is really easy. Have a little olive oil in the pan already that's heated, and we have some red onion, some turkey sausage that is skinless. So it's important to have skinless turkey sausage, especially if you don't eat beef or pork, because turkey sausage that is not skinless does have a pork or beef casing more often than not. So you have to read the ingredients. So if it's not skinless, Anne was looking at me like she was shocked. As like you've been feeding my family pork and beef. That's what I want to know. So yeah, so skinless turkey sausage we have by Cabbage Farm. And then we have some garlic. So this is what we're going to start off with our fried cabbage, right? So I have my olive oil in the pan that's already kind of heated. I'm going to put some garlic in. I kind of eyeball everything. I cook like a grandmother. Like I don't really, like I'm not good at measurements. I'm like you put a little bit, you put a lot, you put a little bit more than a little bit, like whatever. So I just kind of like dump it out. And you hear it sizzling because again, it's been heated, right? That's how I dump my garlic. I need to get a spoon actually. So this real quick. Just kind of stir that. The garlic up. And then what I want to do is I just want to cook. So the Cabbage Farm sausage already is pre-cooked. So you don't need to cook it for a long time. I just like to cook it because I like it to brown a little bit more, like before I put my cabbage in. Because you don't want your cabbage like mushy. You don't want your cabbage like overcooked. You want your cabbage where it still has kind of a crisp to it. Oh, we lost one. Okay, he's a straggler. He won't be here. He wasn't real. He wasn't real with the homies. He didn't want to go out with them. So now I have my red onion and my cabbage. I just want to brown my onion and like get my sausage a little bit brown, because again, the sausage is cooked. So you don't have to make a big deal out of getting the like it's not like you're trying to cook the sausage, you're just trying to brown it a little bit. So that way, while the cabbage is cooking until your consistency, it'll be good. Have a little color on it, you know what I mean? Because melanin is popping. So actually a funny story. When I was in North Carolina for Father's Day weekend, my brothers were all there, my stepbrothers. And one of my stepbrothers, he cooked cabbage on the grill. And it's really good. It's really good. So I am going to use his like idea, but I'm just going to flavor it up a little bit. So he puts individual like cabbage, he cuts it in wedges, right? And he puts it in foil, and he like sprinkles a little olive oil and like whatever the seasonings are. I just sprinkle better seasonings, obviously, because I'm me. And he sprinkles seasoning on it, and then he like just cooks it like that on the grill. And it's really good, and it feeds a lot of people. Like it's a good way to get a lot of people full or cheap, like right? Because a kid of cabbage is like $2, right? So we had a cabbage cook-off, and I was like, cook your cabbage against my cabbage, right? Every time somebody ate my cabbage, they were like, like literally, that's what they said. They said,
What did we say?
First, I was like, I won. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they didn't even say like this good. They ate his cabbage, they was like, cute, right? They ate my cabbage, they were like, I was like, motherfucker, like you don't stand a chance, right? So then he tried to tell me like, well, he ain't have sausages, all this. I said, but that's not what the contest was. The contest was your cabbage against my cabbage. That's the contest. So how I make my cabbage is how I make my cabbage. And that's what the contest was. And I won by landslide. Everybody was like, your cabbage is so freaking good. And these are meat eaters. I was in North Carolina. They eat pulled pork and all that shit like for breakfast, right? And they loved my cabbage. They loved it. But my onions are getting caramelized. My cabbage is not that brown right now, but that's fine because again, we still have to add the cabbage to actually cook the cabbage. So you see my onions are getting caramelized, right? Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Alright. So now I'm gonna start adding the cabbage, right? So I have one head of cabbage here. 1 head of cabbage, maybe a half of a large onion, a large red onion, okay? And I have 1 pack of Acrotron turkey sausage skinless, right? Not a plug for Acrotron, but it's just like the only brand I know that really has truly skinless turkey sausage. Because again, if you don't use skinless, you're using like pork and beef casing. So now I'm gonna add my cabbage in. And it's okay, if you don't have you can use a, kind of like a medium saucepan or pot, or like a large, like a medium pot or like a large saucepan for this. I'm using a medium pot right now, kind of like a medium-sized pot. And it's fine if all your cabbage don't fit right away, because what you can do is you can put a top on it for a little bit, let it cook down a little bit, and then add the rest, which is what I'm going to do. So we'll break a little bit here, and then I'll show you the seasoning that I'm going to use. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning. I let it cook down a little bit because the pot is a little smaller than the head lettuce that I had. Like, I overflowed a little bit. But if you know, freaking, what's it called, cabbage, it's full of water, so it cooks down really fast. Like, so I just like put the top on and let it steam out a little bit. So typically I would use some sea salt, of course ground black pepper. I'm at Ashley's house today and I didn't bring my seasoning. So I'm using a little bit of seasonal black pepper and some nature seasoning from Morton's. Not a lot because they're not paying us, but that's what I'm using today. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more, a little seasoning salt. Again, I'm terrible at measurements, so if I was measuring, I was using maybe like 3 or 4 tablespoons, teaspoons maybe, not tablespoons. And go a little heavier on the nature seasoning. So I would say like maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons, right? And then I love pepper. Pepper and garlic are my favorite things. Pepper, garlic, and onion. I love it. So I'm gonna open this shit up, okay? Wide the fuck open and bust it wide open. And that's maybe 2 tablespoons and a half-ish. I don't know, whatever. You cook stir. It's gonna be good, I'll tell you that. Like just mix it in. I just want to get a good mix now, right? Because cabbage has been chilling on top of the sausage and onions right now in the olive oil. I'm just gonna mix it all together. And you put the top on because you want it to like kind of steam, okay? So you want the smoky, you want the steam, because you don't want your cabbage all like too soft. You want to have a little bit of crunch. Again, not too crunchy, not too soft. So you want it just right.
While Alicia is staring, I just want y'all to look at her fun time size wine glass with a damn straw in it.
Yes, I love straws. I don't understand what y'all don't understand about straws. I'm actually looking for you guys and to help us all out. I'm looking for fucking masks with zippers in there, okay?
I just saw somebody actually had some zippers.
Or I was like, are we going to get creative and just cut it and do a Velcro strap? So that's what we're going to experiment with this week. Ashley doesn't know that yet. But that's what I've been looking at this week. And I'm like, that is like, it's fun time moms all day. I think it's good without brand.
Fun time mask. Or, guess what, guys? So if they have a Velcro strap, you can unzip them to put your straw in.
Yeah, you can unzip them to put it. Oh, what else I added in here, guys, that you guys didn't see, I didn't pour it in when you guys saw. When I added all of the cabbage in, I wanted to cook it down a little bit, I added a little bit of chicken stock. So I always add a little bit of chicken stock. Also add one more ingredient that I'm sure Ashley has.
What is it?
I just am not good at the name ever. But I'm sure you have it because I swear that you always have it, and I swear that I uploaded it here before this goes. It's called Worcestershire.
Oh, that means that I don't use Worcestershire sauce. What's church?
Come here though. Boom, and I have it. So I put the Worcestershire here.
What is it called?
Worcestershire or Worcestershire. Or
Worcester.
Oh, good shit.
Worcester.
No, it's not Worcester.
I'm joking. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. So I call it Worcestershire. I don't know what the fuck they call it. But whatever. But I always add a little bit. And I'm gonna tell you this is my secret to my meats too. I always add Worcestershire to my meat. And also I always add, when I'm cooking meat, I add, oh my God, what is it called? Smoked. I'll tell you guys a little bit. I can't think right now. But it's basically like a smoky sauce. Like it gives a hint of like grill or something, right? But I don't know what flavors are fucking in that shit, but it just works, okay? So I always have a little Worcestershire and I always have a little chicken stock in here. So it's olive oil, chicken stock, red onion, turkey sausage, skinless, cabbage, sea salt, black pepper, but today we use seasonal, little nature seasoning, and black pepper. But guess what? Bomb as hell, okay? So now let's take a look at how this looks. See how it looks? Delicious, guys. And then what else we cooked tonight? Actually, Diablo. I thought Diablo like the devil. But we cooked some shrimp and crab Diablo.
B, not a B.
Diablo. Not like Diablo like the devil, okay? Okay, Diablo. With some like green news to go with that. And then we also cooked some basically like some smothered chicken. It's like a chicken and cream sauce that I made because Ashley doesn't eat seafood. So we had a little something for her to go over the noodles. And now we have some delicious cabbage, some delicious fried cabbage. And that's it, guys. It's all done. It's quick, easy, few ingredients, and you guys can make it at home. Like in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Even on Sunday.
Yeah. And it will still be acceptable. So, there you go, guys. So make sure you follow us on Funtime Moms. At Funtime Moms, obviously. Me at Alicia Chris, and then Ashley at Ashley Brittany. And remember, we're not regular moms. We're
Funtime Moms.